Hello everyone, so today we are back with another case study, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost 80 plus leads for a plumbing business at the cost per conversion of almost $26. In terms of the client introduction, client was based in Detroit, specializing in plumbing services, repair and installation. His primary focus to run Google Ads is to get quality leads. So now in terms of the campaign objective, the client approached us with the primary goal of generating high quality leads for their plumbing business, so at a reasonable cost. They were particularly interested in acquiring leads from local customers in need of plumbing services. So now in terms of the challenges that we have faced, the client was running Google AdWords previously but was not getting the satisfactory results. They had a CPA of more than $100 and got only 20 leads. Also, the quality of those leads was also on the lower side. The local plumbing market in Detroit is highly competitive, with many providers vying for the customer retention. In terms of the client background, so he found us by watching one of our videos on the plumbing business, where we were able to improve the leads from 4 to 45. So you can also watch that video. So we will leave that video in the I button and in the description box below. So now in terms of the strategies that we have used, we have developed a comprehensive Google Ads strategy that involved, first is the keyword research, thorough research of identifying the relevant keywords related to plumbing services and the local market in Detroit. The second is the ad copy and the ad extensions, creation of compelling ad copy with the clear call to actions focusing on unique selling points of the plumbing services. We also utilize the ad extensions to enhance the ad visibility. The next is the geo-targeting, precise targeting of the local Detroit market to reach potential customers in the service area. The next is the ad scheduling, the optimization of the ad scheduling to display ads during the plumbing business operating hours, ensuring maximum exposure where potential customers were more likely to convert. The next is the landing page optimization, ensured that the landing pages on the website were optimized for user experience and the lead capture with clear contact forms and informative content. The next is the budget management. We have efficient budget management was done to maximize the number of clicks and conversion while staying within the budget constraints. The next is the conversion tracking, implementation of conversion tracking to continually monitor and to do the optimization of the campaign's performance. So now in terms of the results, here are the top converting keywords. First is the plumbers near me, drain cleaning near me, gas line installation near me, well repair near me, emergency plumbing near me, and so on. Here is the highest performing ads featuring all the essential elements that should be included in any marketing campaign. The Google Ads campaign yielded the outstanding results. Over a 3-month campaign, the following results were achieved. 80 leads. The campaign got over 80 plus high quality leads for the local plumbing business, consisting of potential customers in need of the plumbing services. The cost per acquisition was kept at low at around $26, demonstrating the ability to acquire high leads efficiently within the budget. We have got increased website traffic. The campaign was contributed to a significant increase in website traffic, enhancing the online presence of the plumbing business. The next is the improved brand visibility. The plumbing business saw improved brand visibility with the local market, increased customer inquiries and service requests. The local plumbing business successfully achieved its goal of generating a substantial number of leads through a cost-efficient Google Ads campaign. The strategic approach, including the keywords, getting also the ad optimization and the budget management, resulted in a lower CPA, ensuring a solid return on investment. This case study highlights the effectiveness of digital marketing efforts in driving success for a plumbing business in a competitive local market. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.